Claude 3.5 Sonnet just dethroned GPT-4o as the best language model that's available now, and it's available for free, so it's a big mic drop from Anthropic. And admittedly, as an OpenAI fanboy, or at least a bit of one, I was taking this with a grain of salt, thinking, I wonder if this is, if this is what the hype really lives up to it. And it really does. This thing is quite amazing. The fact that it's free as well is kind of nuts. Let me just show you a quick perspective of the coding capabilities that this thing has that have recently just blown my mind. So we're going to use the same prompt for both. We're going to say, let's build a simple alien shooter game in HTML5. We're going to give that to Sonnet 3.5 and let it do its thing. And then we're going to go to ChatGPT, and with the same prompt, we're going to do the same thing. Now, admittedly, ChatGPT 4.0 doesn't have the same functionality that it can show you real time the file that it's building and you can amend it in the same time. But even the speed at which it's not doing it. So Claude AI just finished that, Sonnet 3.5 just finished that, and we can test this out and let's see if it works, right? So I lost there again, but yeah, it's shooting. This is nuts. So within a matter of a couple of seconds, I've coded, or Sonnet 3.5 has coded a simple alien shooter game that I can test out, as you can see, real time. And for example, it has all the files, it understands file formatting for this type of things, and it has it all there for it. If I don't like the style of my ship, for example, I can just tell it, let's improve the style of my ship, make it more retro, or 16-bit style, 16-bit style with red and black. So, and I even misspelled it, but that doesn't really matter. It's gonna update the file real time, and then when it's done, it's gonna show me the version that I can use there. In the meantime, ChatGPT has just given me the raw file here and then explained to me how to do it, which if I know how to code, that's all well and good, but I don't. For me, as a newbie in coding already, it has leveled me up so much. Like I can play my game and I can real time see the code aspect. It's just mind blowing. I didn't realize we're going to get to this point. So now it's a really big question mark in terms of, well, it's your move now, OpenAI. So they're either going to release 4.5 or GPT-5 and blow everything out of the water, as they usually have done. But Anthropic is providing some serious competition to OpenAI, and I think that's a great thing. Competition for the end user is always eventually a good thing. So it looks like these two are really leaving Google way behind, but I'm very, very impressed. So if you haven't checked it out, go try out for free Claude 3.5 Sonnet from Anthropic. It's really going to change the way that you do things. Remember, you can also build other things, not just silly games, but you can build web apps, you can build plugins. I'm going to build a plugin that'll save my prompts, and then I'm able to record them really quickly. If you want to see that video, leave it in the comments below. But yeah, it's just really cool stuff. Go check it out if you haven't done so already.